back seat with Hiccups.
Yeah. It's bad because the car is moving.
That's alright. Don't get in too close. Just...
I'm not too close. I'm far away from her. Child? Child?
Sorry.
So, Hiccup child, do you like riding in a car with Hiccups?
No.
Why not?
This is like the feeling of the hiccup, like going up, and then sometimes the bump going up too.
Really? Really?
Yeah.
Do you know why you like it? Like the Hiccups yet?
Nope.
Really? Well, we've been wondering how long, for the longest time, why you like them. Why you like the Hiccups. And you can't tell us. Why can't you tell us?
Because I don't know the reason.
Well,
Would you stop? Would you leave her alone?
I'm just making the ham hiccup.
No. Stop. Stop.
Just one more time, man. Just one more time.
Alright,
Good.
thanks, honey.
Child? Child?